Unang-una, tinan mo kung talagang yun ang katawan ni Kristo, bakit pagkatapos kainin, sugarol pa rin? Yan. Kaya hindi totoong yan ang katawan ni Kristo. Dahil kung yung katawan ni Kristo ang natanggap mo sa buhay mo, magkakaisa kayong katawan. Magiging pareho lang kayo ng katawan. Kung paano banal si Kristo, magiging banal ka rin. Kung paano si Kristo may takot sa Ama, may takot ka rin sa Ama. Kung paano si Kristo hindi nangalo niya, hindi ka rin mangangalo niya. Hindi siya nagnakaw, hindi ka rin magnanakaw. Kung natanggap mo yung kanyang katawan.
You could recognize if you were those instruments of Lucifer, for Lucifer says, he will deceive and destroy what gods. So the religion that they will destroy is the religion of God. They will destroy the doctrine of the existing church by using the writings in the Bible, and will misinterpret it. See, he says the host is a kind of bread is not the body of Jesus, but Jesus said in Luke 22:19, it is his body, meaning a symbol or a sign of his body, to always be eaten as in remembrance of Jesus. See, but all the sects defies this, so as they are really the instruments of Lucifer who disguises. Elisariana said, if it is the body, then why the Catholic, as though eating it but they are committing sin? We, the Catholic, the true Christians, as we are inside the true existing Church of God, in the name of Church of Christ. To commit sin doesn't mean of not being true believers of God. Did not this sect knows that even the chosen servants of God and Jesus commit sin, some even was not forgiven, and that even when Jesus and the apostles were in earth many still committing sins? I will tell you, you sects, even as you are doing many good things you will not be saved, unless if the God or Jesus gathered you back inside the existing church with existing ministry and existing leaders and existing doctrine. Did you not understand? Jesus gathered Cornelius and his family and neighbors inside the existing church, but you sects are pulling them out from the existing church. So what is the deception you are saying that those inside your cults will be saved?
Sa isang magsasaka,